So just in case you guys have been wondering where I've been, I put together this little compilation thing here of little reviews that I've done that don't have any business being on YouTube, but, you know, it just shows I'm doing some stuff in the background. So, enjoy! What's going on, guys? Today we're going to take a quick look at the multi-charging cable from Schaffen. Now this is the upgraded model from the one I've looked at in the past, because this one actually has a cover. Very nice. Same nice magnetic clasp. We've got our lightning cable. We've got USB-C. We've got USB-A. And we've got USB-C. So you're basically able to plug this into any power bank or any computer or any charging port and charge whatever device you've got. Alright, as you saw, works pretty darn well. Snap that bad boy together and put on the cap. I really like that. Today we're checking out the stacking board game. We've got 66 playing cards, 51 blocks, 2 different dice, 1 mini hammer, and 1 storage bag. Let's take a look. Got the instruction manual here in English and in German. It does come with several different games and different ideas. We've got the mini hammer. We've got 2 different dice. We've got the number dice. This is going to help you pick who gets to go first. And we've got the different picture dice, and this tells you which block you have to pick, if that's the game you're playing. We've got our pack of cards here.